10 AI tools you won't believe exist. Artificial intelligence has made its way into virtually every field, bringing tools that can transform creative processes, personalize experiences, and simplify workflows. From creating art to generating realistic voice clones, these tools are reshaping what's possible. Here are 10 AI tools you may not believe exist, each offering a unique and groundbreaking feature. 1. Lexica.art. Lexica.art is an AI-powered art generator that allows users to create detailed images from text prompts. Known for its ease of use, Lexica transforms any description into unique visuals in seconds. Simply type in a prompt, like a small alligator swimming in a teacup, and it will generate 3 distinct versions of the image. This tool is great for creatives looking to bring their imaginations to life without needing artistic skills. 2. Descript. Descript provides a powerful tool for creating AI voice clones. Users can record a 10-minute clip of their voice, upload it to Descript, and get a realistic clone capable of reading text in the user's voice. It even transcribes voice recordings, making it useful for content creators and podcasters who want a reliable voiceover tool. Descript checks for voice ownership, adding a layer of ethics to voice cloning. 3. Mubert.com. Mubert specializes in AI-generated music, allowing users to create tracks in various genres and moods. By selecting a music style or entering a prompt like hip-hop, users can generate original, royalty-free music. Mubert even allows prompt-based song creation, making it a valuable resource for anyone in need of custom music for projects, from advertisements to YouTube videos. 4. Uberduck.ai. Uberduck is a text-to-speech tool that generates audio in different voices, including those of well-known artists and characters. Users can input lyrics or text, choose a voice like Drake or Snoop Dogg, and create a synthetic vocal track. Although it's primarily for personal and non-commercial use, Uberduck brings a fun, interactive experience to AI voice generation. 5. NVIDIA Canvas. NVIDIA Canvas lets users paint with simple brush strokes, turning them into realistic landscapes. Brushes labeled cloud, hill, and mountain produce instant visual transformations, allowing users to paint scenes that look like real photos. This is ideal for artists and designers who want to visualize landscapes without detailed painting skills. 6. Replicate.com. Replicate.com is a tool focused on restoring old photographs. Users upload images, and the AI identifies faded areas, blemishes, and other imperfections, then restores the image to a better quality. This tool is a game changer for anyone wanting to preserve memories in a digital format, as it can effectively restore aged photos. 7. Lumalabs.ai. Lumalabs takes 2D videos and converts them into 3D models, using video data to create a realistic model that can be rotated and examined from all angles. This process does not require specialized equipment, making it accessible for anyone wanting to bring their recordings to life. Lumalabs opens up new possibilities in 3D modeling, from gaming to virtual reality applications. 8. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI conversational model that helps users with tasks ranging from writing assistance to brainstorming and learning. It can generate detailed articles, answer questions, and even provide summaries of content, such as YouTube videos, through the extension summary with ChatGPT. This tool is popular among writers, students, and professionals seeking efficient assistance. 9. Supermeme.ai. Supermeme.ai is an AI-powered meme generator that creates memes based on text prompts. Users simply enter a phrase, like, "when AI takes over your job," and the AI generates several meme options. This tool is perfect for content creators and marketers who want quick, humorous, and original meme content without manually designing them. 10. Kaiber.ai. Kaiber.ai turns images into animations. Users can upload an image, enter a descriptive prompt, like a cat turning into a robot, and choose animation styles, such as futuristic or cyberpunk. Cber provides camera movement options and video transitions, making it a versatile tool for producing animated video content. In conclusion, these 10 AI tools offer revolutionary ways to approach art, voice, music, and more, all with ease and accessibility. Whether you're a designer, musician, or content creator, AI has introduced tools that not only simplify but enhance creativity, turning ambitious ideas into achievable projects.